Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City cannot save game progress. So let's get started. Method 1. Disable your antivirus. I am asking you to disable your antivirus just because sometimes our antivirus blocks our games to do any modification in our computer, which is necessary for our games to do. But before disabling your antivirus, make sure you don't have any virus, adware, malware in your computer. Do a full computer scan and try to find a virus. If there is no virus, then disable your antivirus and then run the game and see after disabling your antivirus, does your game is saving your game progress? If yes, then you find the issue. Okay, now let's fix it. What you have to do is simply add that game, in our case GTA Vice City, add it in exception list. But unfortunately it is not possible for me to show you that how to add it in exceptional list because all of us have different antivirus. But I can show you the way how you can do it. Simply search in internet how to add a program in exception list of your antivirus. Okay, just search it and follow that steps, and after that you can see that your game has been fixed. If it doesn't fix, let's move to method 2. So method 2 will be read only. Okay, just let me show you what is it read only. Open your this PC. If you are using Windows 7, just go to my computer and open my document. In our case, I am using Windows 10, so I am having documents. Open the document and right over here you will gonna see there is a GTA Vice City user file. What you have to do is open it and there will be multiple files just like this. But there will be one thing common. There will be two files like this. One will be GTA_vc.set and one will be your GTA save file. Okay, what you have to do is select the file, right click, click on properties, and you will gonna see there is a read only and which is checked. You have to uncheck it, click on apply, click on OK. Do the same with this one. Check it. Is it having a check mark in read only? If it is, then uncheck it. Follow the entire steps like this and do the same. Uncheck it and click on apply and click on OK. Now check the game. Run the game again. Is your game progress is saving or not? I believe after doing this, your game will save your progress. If not, then let's proceed to method 3, which will be move GTA_vc.set. Let me show you what is it. Once again, open your this PC, go to documents, open GTA Vice City user files, and right over here you will gonna see there is a file named as GTA_vc.set. What you have to do is move this file from GTA Vice City user files. Move it anywhere you like to. Just move it from this folder. In my case, I am moving it to my desktop. Now run the game, and you will gonna notice that after running the game, there will be another file name as GTA_vc.set. That means your GTA Vice City has created a file for you, which is good. And then try to save the game. Is your game progress is saving? If your game progress is saving, that means you have fixed your issue. Okay? If not, then what you have to do is move to method 4. Method 4 will be moving the or deleting the GTA Vice City user folder. Let me show you once again. Go to this PC, go to documents. Now what you have to do is simply cut this folder and move it from this location, from my document, move it to somewhere else, and once again run the game. And you will gonna notice GTA Vice City created another user folder for you, which is GTA Vice City user files. Now try to save the game, but you will gonna notice that there is only one save file. So what you have to do is once you fixed your issue, simply cut these old save files and paste it under. Let me show you properly. So once you fix your issue, what you have to do is to get your old files back, all the old save games, copy these two save games or last 3 save games. So open it and paste it right over here and run the game. After that you will gonna see that you are able to get your old files also. Okay, if you still getting that issue, then let's proceed to method 5, which is reinstalling. And let me show you what is the process to reinstall your game. Simply uninstall your game and make sure to delete this folder also, okay, or you can backup this folder. So make sure there is no old file of GTA Vice City in your computer, and then after you clear all the files of GTA Vice City, once again install the game and run the game and see is your game progress is saving or not. I believe after doing this much you will gonna fix your issue. If not, then let me know in comment box below. I will see what can I do for you. If I get any more update regarding this, I will gonna make another video, part 2 of this video. Okay, this is all I plan to show you in this video. So that's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.